we do around 50% of the world's outsourcing out of India. And as a business, we have been growing around 14-15% on an average annually. We have 3 million people directly employed in the business. But then, almost around 20% of the people give a pass when it comes to security as a practice in business. And almost around 10% of the people store their passwords in the system. So I think in the days to come, there should be a lot more awareness has to be created by all the stakeholders all across, right from the school. Today we do this data security as a practice because of business compulsion, branding India's secured place, all these pressures are mounted. And so we do also work on security, so but then it has to become as a practice imbibed right from the day one of the usage of computers. So we need to go right from the school and do a deep dive in terms of understanding the challenges day in and day out, work along with the industry growth and take it as a practice, not just for the people who are part of the business, but all across practices in IT. I think there is, so before going further down, I want to say that it's not only large enterprises, we do have a lot of small companies, startups, emerge companies, tier 2 companies and all that part of NASSCOM. But yeah, having you said that, there is definitely a need for a lot of institutes to play their right role, and we need such courses which can orient not just specialized courses, but make the regular users of technology to be part of this kind of activities. So what I'm trying to say is here is that not just specific courses that is also important, but then generic practice. These specialists should bring in a lot more awareness all across the industry and the employees today. NASSCOM has been requesting all the stakeholders to imbibe security as a practice right from the basic usage. If a trainee joins in, he has to be imparted the knowledge of what is security, how to work in a secured environment, and how do we practice security as an initiative right from the event. Because we handle customer data. Data security is very important, paramount importance, and India needs these kind of branding in the days to come to fight out in the market, right? So NASSCOM has been trying to take this as a most important quality for any IT professional, IT or ITS professional.
Okay.
We don't have any specific numbers which we have worked.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to understand. So we need that knowledge. We need to understand how hacking takes place. And so I think if the question is it important? Yes, it is important. How far we need to understand to the extent that we can handle all the kind of cases all across the world. So as a knowledge, it is very important. As a practice, we need to understand that industry needs such practices.